Tired of long commutes, rigid schedules, and the sheer effort of getting to class? Sudden closure of school due to multiple reasons.
Askaria Digital School changes the game. Education that fits your life, not the other way around. We offer live, interactive classes with professional, friendly, and certified teachers. Learn at your own pace and on your own schedule.
Students taking online classes on Teams and teacher interacting with them to show that a good, healthy environment of the class.
Log in from anywhere in the world. Your classroom moves with you. Zero commute, zero stress. This is a complete school with full support. Access our vast e-library and our learning management system for recorded lectures. We ensure real progress through regular quizzes, assignments, and personalized learning paths. Your child is supported every click of the way. Turn your home into a launch pad for success. Give your child the smarter path for tomorrow's learning. Admissions are open now. Enroll today in just one click and unlock their potential. Visit our website or call us today.